Malayo pa, pero malayo na. Mahaba pa po ang tatahakin nating landas patungong plenaryo at patungong Senado. Ngunit hindi na tayo nangangapa. Marami na tayong naungkat. Marami na tayong naisiwalat. At hindi natin hahayaang masayang ang lahat ng ito. Kailangang ituloy ang proseso because this is what justice demands. Because only then can we truly achieve accountability. Kapag may public official na nagkaroon ng seryosong paratang, huwag nating baliwalain, huwag nating palampasin. Kapag may kailangang ipaliwanag, huwag tayong titigil hanggat lumabas ang katotohanan. Let us pursue this to its logical conclusion. Otherwise, the cycle of impunity will only repeat. Because we owe it to the next generation of Filipinos to show them that no one, no matter how powerful, no matter the title, is above the law. Huwag nating hayaang masanay ang ating bansa sa kultura ng pagkalimot. Because if we let up now, we fail the very Constitution we swore to protect. Let us therefore move forward with heavy hearts but clear minds. If the Vice President is guilty, let the truth convict her. If she is innocent, let the process clear her. But let it be done through the light of justice, not the shadows of silence. Ituloy na natin ang huling hakbang ng yugtong ito para sa katotohanan, para sa sambayanang Pilipino. Esteemed colleagues, beloved countrymen, malayo pa, pero kahit papaano, sa totoo lang, malayo na. Maraming salamat po.